AMS allows users to access their files on Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and Dropbox. To do this, link your cloud storage account to AMS. First, go to ams.benq.com and log in with a BenQ account. Then click Personal Settings. Select a cloud service to link to. We'll use Google Drive as an example. Follow the steps on the screen. Your cloud storage is now linked to AMS. To unlink a cloud storage account, simply click Unlink and then click OK. That's it! You can now access your Google, Microsoft, or Dropbox cloud storage from any BenQ display.